Hello, my fellow budget-conscious adventurers. Today, let's dive into the art of frugal living and how, with a few smart tweaks, you can live a rich life without spending a fortune. First off, let me bust a myth. Frugal living isn't about pinching pennies or denying yourself joys. No, it's about making informed choices that align with your values and long-term happiness. So how do we start? Tip number 1, prioritize experiences over possessions. It's a simple truth that memories of a sunny day out with friends or a book read in a cozy corner often outlive the fleeting thrill of a new purchase. Choose picnics over pricey dinners, board games over shopping sprees. Next, let's talk about the magic of decluttering. By reducing what you own, you reduce what you need. This isn't just about physical space, it's about mental space too. When you declutter, you prioritize what truly adds value to your life. And guess what? Most often the best things in life aren't things at all. Now on to mastering the art of DIY. Whether it's repairing a leaky tap or growing your own vegetables, learning these skills can be immensely satisfying. And of course, light on the wallet. YouTube, the library, even community workshops are all your allies in this journey. And here's a secret: embrace the second hand. There's a certain charm in giving a new life to used items. Thrift stores, swap meets, and online platforms are treasure troves waiting to be explored. Who knows? That vintage lamp or classic novel might just be waiting for you. Lastly, maintain a budget. It sounds routine, but keeping track of where your money goes can be eye-opening. Apps can help, or go old school with a notebook. When you manage your money wisely, you choose financial freedom and peace of mind. In conclusion, frugal living doesn't mean a life of austerity. It's about enjoying a fulfilling lifestyle without succumbing to the pressures of consumerism. It's about choosing quality over quantity, experiences over expenses, and ultimately, happiness over materialism. So, embrace these tips, my friends. Make them your own. And remember, the richest person isn't the one who has the most, but the one who needs the least. Cheers to living a life full of joy, with less.